Hello, welcome to our channel where we share our option trading strategies. We publish these strategies on our blog successfultradings.com. So today we will be showcasing a case study of a trade we took on Monday, December the 2nd on SPY and how we made 100% profit in less than 30 minutes. So here is the chart of that option. As we have mentioned before, it's actually a very interesting strategy sometimes while you want to trade option to look at the chart of the option you want to trade instead of the stock because really that's help you with entry price and exit price. So for us here, the entry criteria was from the dark pool level. That SPY needed to trade below 313.14. So while it did that, we entered the trade with put 313 puts expiring exactly on the same day. This is the range of this specific option. The open was 12 cents. The high was up to $1.89 and the low was 12 cents matching the open and it closed at 0.25 cents. So as you can see on the value of this option, it was a wild ride all day long. So let's see exactly how we managed to take 100% of the profit. So for us, if we go and take a look at this is our entrance into the trade. So we enter the trade at 9:42. So in 12 minutes after the session has opened, we bought two contracts, as you can see on here, and the fees and the commissions are minimum. So on the chart 9:42, let's go back here and see 9:42. Each one of these is a 5-minute candle. So on 12 seconds, this is 35. This is 40. So this is the candles at which we enter the trade at 9:42. So that trade, then we stay. How long did we stay in the trade? So let's go ahead and take a look here. So we're gonna look at our first exit out of the trade. This will help. Will come up. Okay. So we exited the first contract exactly at 10:01. So from 9:42 to 10:01, that's about 19 minutes. So where we were able to double our initial investment, going from 40 cents to 80 cents. As simple as that within 19 minutes. And the second exit part of the contract was 3 minutes later, where it managed to give us an extra over 50% more on top of the 100% that we already recorded on the other one. So the question here would be, if we go back to the chart to see, so 10:01 will be exactly this candle here. As you can see here, this contract here showing that it's overbought. So that's what made us take all our profit and move on, because later on this candle it was able to go much higher, as you can see, about 1.20 or so, $1.20, but it came back down and then to go back up all the way to the max, the high of the day, which was on 89. But by then we were already done with our trade, and this is how we successfully managed to make over 100% between 9:42 and 10:01 on this candle here, from 40 cents entry to $1.09 exit. So that's how we were able to make 100% on today's trade, on December the 2nd trade on SPY 313 puts.